How to fix Spotify not working or playing songs on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get your music streaming again. First, go to your home screen and long press on the Spotify icon and tap App Info. After that, tap Force Stop and confirm to completely shut down any frozen processes running in the background. From there, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to wipe out any corrupted data that may be preventing songs from playing. At this point, reopen Spotify and try playing a song. If it works, you're all set. If not, keep going. In the next step, check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if playback works on one but not the other. Following this, go back to App Info and tap on Battery and set it to unrestricted so Spotify isn't being cut off while streaming in the background. Once done, open the Play Store and search for Spotify. Tap Update if one is available, since older versions can cause unexpected playback issues. From here, if songs are still not playing, try logging out of your account, then logging back in to refresh your account data. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to give your device a full reboot and try streaming again. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Spotify not working on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Spotify tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.